So if you want to do this question, say express TR in terms of theta and K. Okay, which means I need to form an equation that starts with TR. On the right hand side of that equation, there must be theta and there must be a K. Okay, so if you look at it, right, where is TR? TR is the length from here to R there. Okay, now I also want you to be aware that I need to add some information here before I carry on. Now, if you look at triangle TRS, we have got this angle is 60 degrees and the height of the tower is RS. Alright? We don't have the length of TS. We don't have it. Now we have got TQ, which is K. Now TQ is not part of the right angle triangle. Right? Which means I may need to find the size of this angle. The size of that angle, because this whole angle here is theta and this is 60 degrees. You can use the grade 8 knowledge of triangles. You can calculate this angle here. So it will be, that angle there is going to be, okay, let me call it TRQ. So TRQ plus this angle theta plus that 60 degrees, they give me what? 180. And your reason there, sum of angles in a triangle. No. It's not equal at all because this 60 degrees is part of the right angle. That 60 degrees is not part of the right angle. Yes? No. Right. TRQ plus theta plus 60 is equal to that. Now, here I want to find the size of that angle TRQ in terms of theta. So my TRQ is going to be equal to 180 degrees. I take that theta to the right in the 60 degrees, I'll get minus 60 minus theta. And that will give me 120 degrees minus theta. So that's the length of TRQ, which is this angle here. That will be 120 degrees minus theta. Now, the moment, because I created that angle, which is a compound angle. I hope you are aware that this is a compound angle. By now, I hope you are aware. It's a subtraction of two angles, so it's compound angle. Which means in this question here, I may need to apply my knowledge of the compound angles. Okay? Then, if I want to find the length of TR, it means that I have to use the sine rule. Okay? If I use the sine rule, it will be TR. I have to write TR over sine Q is going to be equal to TQ. I hope you remember your sine rule. To be TQ over sine TRQ. That will be TRQ. That's the sine rule. No, it's not the answer. It's not the answer. Then from there now, I need to make that TR the subject. So I'll end up having TR is equal to, if I multiply that TQ by sine Q, my Q is 60 degrees. My TQ is K. You see that TQ is what? K. So I'll put here K times sine 60 degrees. This is all over. My TRQ is going to be sine 120 degrees minus theta. Then you can see that compound angles. Alright? You have to use the compound angle formula there. Right? This whole angle here. Listen, he's not a hero for alright, let's move on. So So TR is equal to K. Now what is sine 60? It's square root of 3 over what? Over 2. That's all over. Now sine 120 minus theta, I can write it as sine 120 times cos theta minus sine theta cos 120 degrees. Right? So my TR is going to be equal to, let me write as K times square root of 3 over 2, that's all over. Now, sine 120 is the same as sine 60. What is sine 60? It's square root of what? 3 over 2 times cos theta minus cos 120 is the same as minus cos 20, sorry, minus cos 60 degrees. So this minus becomes a what? A plus. So it will be plus a half times sine theta, because cos 60 is a half. Okay? Then from here now, I need to simplify this. So I'll end up having TR equal to K times square root of 3 over 2. This is all over. Here I can write that as square root of 3 cos theta plus sine theta all over 2. Okay.
What happened to the house?
I found the LCD. Right? This is our main division line. Okay. Now I can introduce the division sign there. Okay, just allow me to finish now. I'm gonna finish it. Next step it will be TR is equal to, now here it will be K times square root of 3 over 2. So it will be K times square root of 3 over 2. Alright? This is divided by that whole denominator. So it will be divided by square root of 3 cos theta plus sine theta all over 2. Then this division sign will end up becoming a what? End up becoming multiplication, so you get TR equal to K times square root of 3 over 2 times 2 divided by square root of 3 cos theta plus sine theta. These two will cancel out. So the final answer will be TR equal to, now I hope you can see that this square root of 3 and that's, they won't cancel. So it will be K times square root of 3 all over square root of 3 cos theta plus sine theta. And then you will be done. More.